There's an old expression. Everybody talks about the weather, but nobody does anything about it. Well, for gardeners, that's not always true. And when it comes to planting cool season crops, we can modify the weather in our gardens to better suit these crops and help them get through our spring frosts. These spun fabrics let air, light, and water through, but keep temperatures anywhere from 2 to 4 degrees warmer. And if you need more protection than that, you can even double up the cloth. You just lay it out over your crop. You want it to have some room so that the crops can actually grow up. There are a couple of different ways that you can fasten the cloth down. You can take like these drip staples and just poke them on through, or I like to do this. I just take a board and just lay it over the top, and I am done. And if you'd like to get your warm season crops planted early, like the first week of May, something like that, you're going to want to warm up your soil previous to that by applying just clear plastic to the soil. Make sure that you make a good seal all the way around, not just with boards or staples, but actually take some soil and put it all the way over. Pull it nice and tight. That way, your soil will be nice and warm when you go to plant. This is Stan Mapolsky, the Real Gardener.